This is the new DataRobot Workbench. We built this because our customers have asked us to organize all their machine learning assets from a business opportunity into a single place. We call this container a use case. Here we are managing all of our use cases. You can quickly review who has access to each use case, when it was last modified, and how many datasets, experiments, apps, and notebooks each one contains. You can easily share a use case with other AI builders under specific roles without having to manage access to each asset, allowing you to ensure restricted access to sensitive projects. While DataRobot experimentation tools are all accessible here in the UI, you can also use notebooks for a code-first experience using the DataRobot APIs or any other data science framework. DataRobot Notebooks are a fully managed hosted platform for creating and executing notebooks. We have adjustable compute resources and pre-built images with a single click, so you don't have to worry about infrastructure. And how many times have you had to write boilerplate code from scratch in a blank notebook? DataRobot now raises the standard for notebooks with our frequently used code snippets, so you can stay laser-focused on creative experimentation and spend less time just reading docs. There are multiple ways to add a dataset to a use case. You can either select a local file, select a dataset that's registered in the data registry, or you can connect to popular cloud data warehouses and lakes, starting with Snowflake today. Let's go ahead and begin preparing a dataset. You can see that we automatically run exploratory data analysis to show distributions for each feature. You can compute new features, do all sorts of filtering, and more. And these transformations are pushed down into Snowflake, which means that you can leverage the security and governance of your data warehouse. Let's look at a use case experiment. DataRobot ran dozens of models for me, and we can see all of these trained models on the left-hand side. Right away, I can pull up the insights that matter to me as a data scientist: the lift chart, the ROC curve, and feature impact. Having these insights built in helps you analyze model performance and assess what to do in your next iteration. What we really love is how easy it is to iterate. You can retrain on a new feature list right from here, or you can retrain on a different sample size, or even go back, prep data differently, add more data, and run another experiment. Let's look at a use case application. We designed this experience to facilitate the conversation between you and your stakeholders. You can examine what features are most contributing to the prediction and run what-if scenarios to experiment with how changing features can affect model predictions. This app is a separate URL that you can share with business users, so they can take a look on their own and add scenarios based on their subject matter expertise. What we've built here with this suite of experimentation tools allows you to solve your use case and then easily communicate results to your stakeholders to solve the business problem.